Here, come to the elevator at Dillard's at Great Lakes Mall in Mentor, Ohio. We got a Westinghouse RT here. Very walk door. Let's go up to 2. Indicator's still screwed up. Let's get a cab view. It's pretty beat up, but it's not a bad elevator. And we are at 2. Alright, let's go back down to 1. Door close button don't work. And here's your ADA phone. Really need to fix that indicator. Looks like it's been glitched for a year. Really need to fix that. And we are at 1. Let's go back up to 2. Door close button does not work on Schindler. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Here we are at 2 again. Alright, back down to 1. 2,500 pound capacity. It's not the greatest. I mean, I like the one at Beechwood Place. It's a really nice elevator. I definitely think I prefer the one in South Park Mall. Alright, let's watch it close. And that's it.